Store. No one can get too.
No one get too hard.
Yes. So you have to know if it gauge just too.
Oh, okay.
That's, you get a nice heat. So you won't break no teeth when you're eating them, It's mild and nice. If it's too hard, you have to heat and fret about your denture or hurt your teeth.
Yeah, I got to taste one, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Oh my God, come here, this one good.
Yeah.
Just
Soft and nice. Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So the texture and everything.
Yeah. So I did up my festival with like caramel, flour.
You put caramel in it?
Yeah, the caramel, flour, cinnamon. Mix up water and mix it with sweet. Yeah, make my festival.
Yeah, because you have a little sweet to it.
Yes, originally.
Okay.
Originally. So now the festival finish up here now.
Okay.
So I'm going to cover up the thing here now. And then we're gonna start clean up the chicken.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna come back and clean up the chicken and so forth.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, Gangali kitchen. And
yeah. So we do
good. Yeah. So we do it here.
Nice and sweet,
Yeah.
Originally. So like over here now.
Oh.
This side.
Yeah.
See this side now. This is a deep freeze. Deep, the space down up in the air.
Yeah.
This fridge space go up in the air, not at the floor.
Yeah.
So I keep all my things in here.
Oh, okay.
Meat and all those stuff. Yeah, because it's all a lot of stuff. This fridge you got up to the ceiling. So
okay.
This fridge.
Alright.
Not like the first time one when you take up space. Big space up in the air. So I love it like that.
Alright.
And we got the crackers, so.
Okay.
Suppose a lot
for the fish.
No, we're not making a steamed fish today, but
okay.
If I want a steamed fish and crackers, we got to do everything really here. Real water crackers. Suppose you want steamed fish and crackers. Everything ready,
Okay. Alright.
Everything ready.
Gangali
We don't have to say we are run down the road and come back. No, we don't do that,